should I say?
Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I'm at an establishment right now, going to have some dinner, and when you come to visit the Philippines and you can be in a Morbid Team experimental horror film, you can come here. And these guys back here are going to tell you the name.
Yeah, so please visit Hachiran Gentry, Mangahan. So this is a ramen house here in Gentry. So please try our ramen.
Well, I'm about to try the ramen here, so I'll let you guys know how it is.
Yeah.
All right?
Okay.
So, let's check it out. Okay, so here's the food. And I'm going to do a movement here. So, we've got some ramen, gyoza, rice, tubig. That's what they call water in the Philippines. And this silver container right here, some chili pepper, soy sauce in the plastic, and some chili oil over there. All right. So we're going to get ready to eat. It looks. So when you come to the Philippines and visit, it's Tonkotsu Ramen is where you want to visit. The food here is delicious, and when you do,
Thank you.
contact with everyone and contact with me, Paul Morbid. Especially when you're in the Philippines and you want to act in one of our Morbid Team Entertainment experimental horror films. All right. Take care and see ya.
See ya.